Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So, if you listen to my last video for gold, I was talking about this fair value gap that we're looking at. This one in pinkish. This fair value gap, I was talking about it. I was telling you that it only has sell side, but we don't have buy side in the form of a candlestick closing in this. So now this is the buy side. So now we have offered sell side on this very candlestick, this one, sell side here. If I move this, let me move this a bit like that. We've offered sell side here, and now we've offered buy side on this candle there. Therefore, here, this area here is now sufficient. Therefore, everything here is okay for us to do what? To go lower. Now everything is set here for us to go lower, right? We've worked outside of this. If we're treating it as like an inversion, we've worked outside of it there and touched the weekly. This is a weekly level, 50% of a week on the weekly, and this is 50% of this candlestick here. And then we have mean threshold of this order block there. This one is the mean threshold for this order block. So therefore, we are looking for sells here. We are ready. We want to see minimum this level. This is the minimum level required to go up if needed, right? If you want to go high, you must first take out this level and you can go high. This is the minimum level required to go up if needed, right? You must come and take out this level first, this one here, and then we can go up, right? Don't think this will shoot to 5,000. Because I hear people talking about 5,000. Are we now going to 5,000 again? Are we going to see 5,000? They're talking about this level here. Nah, you won't see that. You won't see that. Just focus here, right on this price action here. That's why your focus should be right here. So now, let's look for bearishness on gold. This is your whole, I'm just giving you a whole weekly range. This is the whole weekly range, just like that. I just did it. I just did it. Right? I just gave you the whole weekly range right there. Let's go into hour and see some nice stuff. So here on the hourly time frame, NFP buy side, NFP sell side. Last week Friday went above NFP buy side. That's beautiful. So what's next? NFP sell side, that's for sure, and even lower prices. These are relative equal lows, most likely to be taken out. And then we want to see all these levels here taken out up until we reach this level. So you are going short from there, and then this is your exit right there, right? It's most likely gonna take these two lows too, but then this is the minimum level. It can just take this one and go and leave this one there, and that would be fine. You understand? It can come, take this level, take this one, and leave this one. That would be enough, because of the minimum level is this one required for anything to go high. It must first come here and go up. That's the minimum level. Okay, let's see now the beauty, the trade. This, let's zoom in. This is an inversion fair value gap here. You see that? There. That's your inversion. Let's see if we grade here what's gonna happen. I'm gonna reduce the levels to a normal level, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Let's see. Okay. Let's just reduce the thickness there to a nice level. Could just make it one. Let's not do that. The pixels to one. There we go. Nice. Now there we go. So why did I just grade this fair value gap here on the daily? Remember, this is a daily thing, this in pink. So I've just graded it. So I just want to show you that this inversion fair value gap here is a valid one. It's anchored on an octant on this candlestick here, right? If we zoom in, you can see that this candlestick is there on that, right? And then even this one is anchored on 50% of the range, right? Which range? Range low, range high there. So we're grading this fair value gap, and we're seeing that this is a valid inversion fair value gap here on an 1 hour. This one. Can make it orange, show that it's an inversion. Let's just do that. Mr. Orange. So this is a possible inversion fair value gap. So your question is what? Or what happens if it just goes up? I'm still gonna sell. I'm still gonna sell. We're going low here. And not there, but really, really down. Low, low. Your target, here's your target there. Right? That's your target there. So you're gonna target 3,884.348. You're gonna target this level there, right? Below this, we can go there. And then below this, where can it go? Between these two levels, there, 50%. That's event horizon. Between this one and this one, there. It can go there. And then there eventually. So that's it, guys. I just gave you a whole thing there, right? And then, so this is I'm just showing you here a possibility where this does not hold initially. If we go up and take out this and we come back down again, I'm still gonna sell the same inversion fair value gap, this one. If it doesn't hold here now, I'm gonna wait for this and then sell and add here. I'll be selling on top. Here, if I didn't sell there, I can add in here, right? Because we're so going low on this one, right? NFP buy side is out. So what's next? NFP sell side. Let's just put that correctly there. There we go. And I'm bearish on gold for the whole week. And that's Social Trades. And that's value at no cost. Boom.